Warning, you're doing this wrong. That polite habit of holding in a sneeze, it's secretly dangerous. Why? A sneeze is a pressure bomb traveling at over 100 miles per hour. When you pinch your nose and mouth, all that force has nowhere to go. It gets sent straight back into your head, hitting your eardrums and sinuses. This can lead to some crazy damage. It could rupture your eardrum, cause a severe sinus infection, or even, in rare cases, burst blood vessels. You're creating a mini internal explosion. So what's the safe way? Sneeze into a tissue, or if you don't have one, sneeze into the crook of your elbow. It's the ultimate safeguard. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to Safety First to protect yourself from dangerous habits.